No, there is no any book. If you are telling them कि I only study is the Swedish person. But by the earbud, many of the students see the watch the videos and if they have not the earbuds, the sound is go to the mothers and the parents ears and they will be hear that and they can connect them. But by the earbuds or the headphones, they will not able to understand what they are doing studying all the time. So the mother and father time come beside the student.
And the student remove these things when mother and father comes. But if they are not earbuds, the mother and father come in your room and they hear the sound.
Yes.
So they can identify.
So if the children are also less the volume, so the sound is not.
So if they learn the volume, how they study?
What?
If they learn the volume,
You are talking about the videos that the student watching other than the study.
Yes.
So if they learn the volume, so there is not any connection of the study. So how can you say that?
What? Please speak again.
You say that if we are less the volume, so we can't study. But you are talking about the videos that the student seeing with other than the study videos.
Yes. So
what you are saying wrong?
why?
I am not able to understand. Please.
First of all, you should sit properly. Don't move, okay?
Your partner said that the students are watching videos other than the study videos. I said that if your partner also said that the mother and father also hear the sound which are coming from the other videos. So if the student is less the volume, so how can the sound is going to the ear? Yes, you are right, but they can see the children, and many of the time the parents are also identify the hands movement.
And also the many students, the first opportunity is offline education and the second opportunity is online education. And the parents also suggest that you can choose offline education. Online
If
education.
the student is not satisfied,
Why are you not listening?
if the student is not satisfied with the offline education, so what can they do? They do online education. So here many but if they were not satisfied with the one school, they can change the school and they can change the offline education and they can select with them. So there is also need of the offline education in our daily life.
Not much as offline education.
But the chart of the offline education.
They also best quality education in the offline education.
More than the
Yes.
and the motivation are in the offline education. What can you say about the impression and the motivations that I am speaking and the many of the students that motivated by me and but in the not in the online education or online education because if the any student speaks and if the anyone is not listening him, that's why how can he motivate him? But in the offline education, teachers said him to listen him carefully. That's why they can motivate with the other students in the offline education. But in the offline education, there are also many of the students who sit in the class between the teacher is studying.
There are many of the students, but in online education, there are many of the students off their cameras and do anything in online education.
And the teacher can
So, online education
this is the default of the student is not the online classes.
Yes, online classes. If there is offline classes, the teacher can see all the students. And if you said that the student can do anything, then
Teacher cannot do anything from the
Yeah.
but in the offline classes, the students are sitting in the last bench. They do other subjects.
the teacher can also catch them. They need from the teacher one time, two time, but the third time they can catch by the
And
teacher.
many of
But in online education, you off the camera, so you don't catch by the teacher.
And this point of view.
Puneet, you should take a chance.
And Speak.
So whenever you want to speak, you can speak. Now keep on speaking.
Why is it the student fault this? If there is not offline education, not online education, then in the offline education, the teacher can see all the students.
And many of the students say about their seatmates or the further or back seat student that they are doing the other subject work. But in the online education there are also the recorded classes, and in the online classes there is not the recorded class. But if the student is absent at that day, so this is. But why the online classes? Many of the time the online classes is expected, and the many of the students off the camera and they eat. You are repeating the. I change the point. Why I repeating the story?
Yes,
Please answer my question. Please answer my question. In the online education there are the recorded videos. If the student is not able to see the videos, they can also see that video. But in the offline education, if the student is absent, there one day classes.
No, I am not satisfied with your point because
Why?
because teacher can understand them. Because if the children say there is an emergency, I cannot come to school, so any teacher don't say that I will not teach for it.
So they are not teaching that type of which are teaching at that day. They are telling in the short.
No, if you telling in the short, the student can raise the hand. Sir, why you telling in the short? I don't understand. So the teacher can understand.
But many of the teachers are says that I can. This is the fault of you.
Yes.
Why are you not coming to school?
But
we can complain our parents about that the teacher not teaches us. But in the online classes, that the teacher if the many of the students do not focus on their studies in the online classes. Why are they not focusing on the studies?
Yes, online classes.
They focus on the study because they are alone at their home and alone at their room and they are studying. So the interaction of the study is more than the offline education. Yeah, no, I am not satisfied with your point. You are saying about that they are alone at the home. They will do the other work sometimes they on the online classes and they will teach. They will not focus on that online classes, but the many of the time they will not on the online classes and they will go outside and play and the many of the things they can do, but not do the study. There are also their parents there are also their parents. But you are saying what they are alone at home. I say alone at home.
Not home. Yes, so they watch the videos in mobile
And they will close the door. Close the door. The mother also say that not close the door. I am coming. But the many of the students say that I am not focusing on my study. That's why I am closing the door. And after that they will do the many of the other things in the phone, and they will not taking the online classes.
They will not take. Okay.
So this is what of the student.
So
They are not taking the online classes. So how can you say that they are alone in the room and they can take the online
you
classes?
say that this is the fault of student and they don't take the online classes. If there are offline classes, if your mother and father said you that you go to school and you go to school.
Yes. But in the house, if you are at emergency, at any emergency in your class, like drinking water and etc. So you can also drink water in online classes. But if we can take the water in the offline classes, many of the teachers don't allow.
Many of the teachers will say you can take water before the lecture is started. So it is the fault of
If your bottle is blank, so we can fill our bottle before the teacher can. If you are learning anything, if you are forgotten to fill the bottle, so
you can take your friend's water.
so how can you
You can also take the water of your classmate.
Yes, I am satisfied with your point, but in the online classes you cannot stand and take the water, and you have to fill the bottle like the schools. I am saying about that. You should saying about if our bottle is filled, we can fill our bottle in the online classes. This is not. But you have the opportunity in the online classes.